Today, Vocera is introducing the Vocera Smartphone, and the smartphone is really a combination of traditional Vocera badge capabilities plus traditional phone capabilities. This particular phone is manufactured by Motorola, so we're bringing world-class capabilities from a phone and combining that with the unique functionality of the Vocera system. One of the big advantages of Vocera is that it provides one-touch communication. One-touch communication allows people to instantly get a hold of the right person at the right time to solve their particular business challenge. A great example of this would be the need to move a patient from the emergency department up into a med-surg unit inside of a hospital. With a single touch of a button, a clinician can get a hold of a transport tech that can come down and take the patient from the emergency department up into the other parts of the hospital. This directly results in improved efficiencies, improved cost savings, and less time in the hospital for the patient, and better patient care because they're being seen by their physician quicker. The Vocera smartphone really combines the functionality of three different technologies into a single device. The first set of functionality is the traditional Vocera functionality. The ability to call a user by their name or their role or the group that they're a member of allows users to instantly get a hold of the person that they need right then to solve their particular business challenge. The second set of functionality is traditional phone capabilities. Using the dial pad on the Vocera smartphone, users can dial extensions or they can place outbound telephone calls using traditional 10-digit dialing. The third set of functionality is really leveraging the Windows Mobile platform. The Vocera smartphone runs Microsoft Windows Mobile 6.1, and as a platform, that allows users to run a whole host of different applications on the Vocera smartphone. On the front of the phone, we've got traditional phone capabilities. Here's a traditional keypad, as well as a beautiful full-color screen that delivers information from applications as well as information about the phone itself. If I turn the phone to the side here, you'll see the two key buttons that are used for the Vocera application. The top button, which is outlined here with the orange, is the Vocera call button. This button behaves similarly to the call button on the front of the Vocera badge. And by pressing this button, you'll be connected to the Vocera Genie, which will allow you to issue voice commands, call by name or call by role, and instantly be connected to someone who you need to speak to. The button below it is the hold and do not disturb button. By pressing this button, you can put a call on hold, or if you're going to be with a patient or in a meeting, you can put yourself into do not disturb. That will actually redirect any calls that come towards you to another user. On this side of the phone, there's a headset jack, which allows you to plug in a traditional headset and have more of a hands-free experience. As well as on the top of the phone, there's a button that converts it from handset mode into speakerphone mode. On the back of the phone is a window that could put user information about the name of the user or the name of the department that owns that particular phone, as well as the battery cover that slides off for a replaceable battery on the back of the phone. If I rotate the phone back over to the side view again, you can see the volume controls. Volume up and volume down are controlled using these buttons here on the side for both the speakerphone and the handset mode of the phone. Those are the basic functionality of the phone. Traditional phone calls are placed in the same way you would place a cell phone call. So you would dial the phone number and push the green button to send the call or the red button to hang up the particular call. Our strategy is to deliver unified communications capabilities out to a range of different devices. If you think about what we're doing, we're really combining voice and data, and we're delivering that out to a set of users based on a set of intelligence and a set of rules, and allowing them to receive that information based on their choice of devices. Whether they want to use the Vocera badge, or whether they want to use the Vocera smartphone, or they want to use any of the other Vocera-enabled devices to receive that information, we want to use our intelligence and our workflow to deliver the right information to the right user. The Vocera smartphone is really the latest addition to the Vocera platform, which is really changing the way communications is done inside of hospitals. We're streamlining workflow, we're improving the efficiency of clinicians inside of a hospital, we're improving patient safety, we're improving staff satisfaction and staff safety. All of these workflow changes are as a result of giving users mobile devices that allow them to instantly get a hold of other people and using the power of our system to direct those calls to the right person at the right time. The Vocera system is being used by over 400,000 people and in over 600 hospitals around the world. We're introducing the Vocera smartphone to give users another choice of devices and to extend the power of the Vocera experience out to whole new groups of users.